Hello everyone, this is Rasmin Makbul, and today's video I'm going to show you how to restructure your data from wide format to long format, or you need to make it as a panel data. That happens when you export your data from Bloomberg or DataStream and you don't have the option to from the beginning to make it as a panel. So you need to make it using one of statistical softwares. So let's clarify more using an example here. This is the wide format like company name ABGK, and for each company we have two variables like from 2015, data from 2015 to 2018, and this is the second variable. But we need it as a panel, so this is the panel format or long format for our data. So the company name has to be from 2015 to 2018 in a vertical format rather than horizontal format. How to do that? We have three, as I remember, different ways using SPSS, STATA, and Excel. And if you have like small number of companies or individuals, you can easily do that using Excel. But SPSS or STATA will give you more efficient way, and you can do that quickly. To do that, we have an example here, Excel example for three different variables: net income, cash flow from operation, and total assets from 2009 to 2017. And I intentionally put the variable name with the date, and I'm going to tell you why I did that when I use SPSS. So let's open SPSS here and open our file, because our file type is Excel. So open Excel, and here we have a new window for our variables, and as you can see that this is the wide format because for each variable the data structure in this way from 2009 to 2017, and you need to make these rears in this way, vertical. How to do that? Firstly, you need to make sure that the variables types are the same. Like if it's numeric, you need to make it numeric to avoid any problem, and the measurement way is the same as well. Scale, if it's scale, you need to make it scale, unify all variable. If it's ordinal, you need to unify all the variables. So now this data and restructure, not going to save it, so no. So we have three different options, but the first option tells you that the data will be structured from wide range to long range. So next, here if you have only one variable to reshape, use this option, but if you have more than, as our case, use this option. So we have three different variables, we're gonna use this option. Just next, here we have our data or our variables, and we need to rename it. The first targeted variable is net income, so let's transfer this here. Then cash flow from operation, And finally, total assets. And here we are. Here, if you want to group your data, but we already have our IDs and company's name, so it's fine to choose none, then press next. Here, if you want to use different indices, but the first one tells you that you're gonna do that using one index, which is the year index. So press next, and then this is the name of your index, which will be year. Then press finish. Okay, here we have our data, like the first name, the company is 3i Group, and as you can see that the year index, or the year, it's reshaped or restructured according to as a panel data. And here are the years, 1, 2, 3 till 9. The first one is 2007, or 2009, sorry, 2010, 11 till 2017. So you can just retitle them or rename them using SPSS or Excel easily. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in next videos.